Getting close to the end, ladies and gents. Here we go. So we had to carefully examine the graph below and respond to the accompanying questions. So let's do it. Who sleeps the fewest number of hours? Now there's no number, but again, we have to look at kind of positioning here. So number of hours slept is being tracked on the bottom axis, with more to the right, less to the left. So if we want the person who has slept the least, we're looking for the person. We're looking for the person or people farthest to the left because that's where the fewest number of hours are slept. So you look at all the points. Well, Bostwick is definitely sleeping the most. Cernan and Collins are about there together. McCarthy and then Presco. So it seems to me that the person sleeping the fewest number of hours has to be Dr. Presco, simply because she is farthest to the left on the axis where they're actually tracking number of hours slept. In other words, if you look straight down from Presco, and this is the axis where sleeping is kept, she's closest to 0. So who sleeps the fewest number of hours? Well, that would be Dr. Presco, which might be true. I always see Dr. Presco here very late, so definitely does not sleep a lot. So Presco. Also, she's not too cranky either. Okay. Who is the crankiest person? Okay, well, again, we have to kind of take this in a couple different steps. First, we have to figure out which axis that crankiness is tracked on, which would be this axis. And then it's more going up. So we're looking for the person who has the highest point vertically, and that's definitely Mr. Bostwick. If you're looking at Bostwick, he's way above all of us in terms of crankiness, okay? So Bostwick is definitely the crankiest person. Okay, so identify two people who are equally cranky. Now, the crankiness axis is still highlighted, so we're looking for two people who have the same height vertically. So Bostwick is way on top, Presco is way on bottom. Cerna is, it looks like he's pretty cranky, but not as cranky as, say, McCarthy or Collins. And if you look at McCarthy and Collins and draw a line straight over, their lines, the line actually goes through both points, meaning that they both should be equally cranky. So this one is the two people we're looking for: McCarthy and Collins. Identify two people who sleep the same number of hours each night. So again, let's do an axis analysis. The number of hours slept is tracked on this axis. If we're looking for same, we're looking for two people who are equally farthest to the right or left. In other words, aligned. So Presco, no. McCarthy, no. Bostwick, no. But if you look, Cerna and Collins actually line up, pointing at the same axis for sleep. So that means the two people who sleep the same number of hours has to be Cerna and Collins. Okay. So a little bit different way to kind of evaluate a graph. You don't need numbers to be able to tell a whole lot of information about it. So I will see you guys in the next problem.